Hey YouTube, this is gonna be an update and cold start on the mini bike, the 5 Force Kawasaki. I decided to discontinue the this GX 160 just because I was tired of I'm done putting money into this project except for the sprocket and the brakes. Other than that, this engine right here runs a bit rich, so it bogs a little bit, and I had put a bigger jet in there, but what I should have done was also buy one of those performance air filters. And I also don't want to spend money on making any type of linkage or spend time on making linkage. And that engine I have on it now is already set up to be on like a go-kart mini bike or whatever. So let's go do this cool start. It's probably around like 50 degrees out here, maybe around 60, but it's cold. As you can see, it's cold. Turn it on. Put a choke. This motor usually starts fairly easy. As you can see, that's where the throttle's already set up. Right there, got that going. Choke.